I analyze over 1,000 viral videos from creators with 500 subscribers to giants like Mr. Beast and Alex Hermosi, and almost all of them use the same 5 psychological triggers. Today, I will show you those triggers and how you use CaptionBolt to apply all of them automatically in just a few minutes. The first trigger is captions. Your brain processes visuals way faster than the text or speech. So when people watch videos without captions, it creates friction, and friction equals scrolls. Studies show caption videos get significantly higher watch time. Plus, around 85% of social videos are watched on mute. If your captions aren't there, most people never hear what you're saying. What used to take me 30 minutes manually now takes about 60 seconds in CaptionBolt. It handles accents, fast speech, even technical terms surprisingly well. The second trigger is pattern recognition. Your brain trusts things that feel familiar. That's why top creators keep consistent fonts, colors, and editing styles. Their audience instantly recognizes their content before a word is even spoken. Your captions are part of the trust signal. CaptionBolt has hundreds of built-in caption styles designed for different niche and platforms. Business content, lifestyle, reels, shorts. You pick a style once and it applies across the entire video instantly. The third trigger is attention resets. Your attention naturally drops every few seconds. Viral creators reset that attention constantly using visual changes, sounds, zooms, or motion. Without those resets, viewer leaves. In Caption Vault, you can add sound effects, animated emojis, and emphasis effects directly onto specific words with one click. These tiny interruptions make a massive difference in retention. The fourth trigger is visual variety. Your brain gets bored when visuals stay the same for too long. That's why talking head videos lose attention fast, even when the content is good. B-roll fixes that, but manually finding clips takes forever. CaptionBolt automatically reads your transcript and suggests relevant B-roll at the right moments. You can approve or swap clips instantly instead of spending an hour searching manually. The last trigger is emotional response. People don't share videos because they're useful. They share them because they feel something: curiosity, surprise, and inspiration. And that mostly comes from your hook. CaptionBolt's AI can generate hooks and titles based on your topic, giving you multiple angles designed to improve clicks and retention. So instead of spending hours editing captions, finding B-roll, syncing effects, and writing hooks manually, CaptionBolt cut the entire process down to minutes. If you're posting consistently, that time saving adds up fast. Now go ahead and try CaptionBolt. To experience it yourself, make sure to click the link in the description. Try it on your next video and see what it does for your retention.